Transmission media. Transmission media is a communication channel that carries the information from the sender to the receiver. The transmission media can be wired or wireless. Transmission media, wired transmission media, wireless transmission media. Wired transmission media. This type of transmission media includes cable wires to transmit the information from source to destination. The wired transmission media are classified on the basis of material used, such as twisted pair cable. A twisted pair cable is a type of cable made by putting two separate insulated wires together in a twisted pattern and running them parallel to each other. The use of two wires twisted around each other helps to reduce any disturbance and noise in the signals. There are two types of twisted pairs: shielded twisted pair (STP) and unshielded twisted pair (UTP). Coaxial cable. It is an electrical cable with a conductor at its center. The inner conductor is surrounded by an insulating layer. The insulating layer is surrounded by a conductive layer called the shield, outer conductor, which is finally covered with a thin insulating layer, protective outer jacket on the outside. It is relatively inexpensive and can transmit data at higher rates. It also provides better immunity against electromagnetic disturbances. The only disadvantage associated with coaxial cable is its high installation and maintenance costs. Optical fiber cable. An optical fiber cable is a type of cable that has a number of optical fibers bundled together, which are normally covered in their individual protective plastic covers. Optical fiber cables are used to transfer digital data signals in the form of light up to distances of hundreds of miles with higher throughput rates than those achievable via electrical communication cables. There are two types of optical fiber cables: single mode and multi-mode. Wireless transmission media. In wireless transmission media, data is transmitted in the form of electromagnetic waves that do not require any physical media for transmission. The waves are broadcast through free space, and any device who has permission to connect can receive them. Bluetooth wireless technology. It is one of the most popular technologies used in handheld, mobiles, and tablets devices for transmission of data. Its frequency ranges from 2.402 GHz to 2.480 GHz and is therefore used for short-range communication approx 10 meter. Its data transfer rate is too slow compared to other waves. Some devices using this technology are Bluetooth printers, Bluetooth keyboards, Bluetooth cameras, Bluetooth mouse, Bluetooth headsets, and Bluetooth mobiles. Radio wave communication. Radio wave communication have a frequency ranging from 3 kHz to 3 GHz. It is used for communication over short distances like from a few meters, as in walkie-talkies, up to covering an entire city. It is easier to generate these waves and can travel long distances and is able to penetrate buildings easily. This makes it widely used in both indoor and outdoor communication. Infrared waves. Infrared waves are used for short-range communication in a variety of wireless communications, monitoring and control applications. These travel in straight line and cannot penetrate through solid objects and are therefore used in home entertainment remote control devices. Cordless mouse and intrusion detectors are some of the devices that utilize infrared communication. Wi-Fi technology. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity. It is commonly called a wireless LAN, local area network. Wi-Fi technology allows local area networks to operate without cable and writing. It is making a popular choice for home and business networks. A computer's wireless adapter translates the data into a radio signal and transmits the data using an antenna for users. The range of the Wi-Fi is dependent upon the environment, indoor or outdoor ranges. The speed of the device using Wi-Fi connection increases as the computer gets closer to the main source and the speed is decreased, the computer gets further away. Satellite link. Satellite communications fall under the category of long-distance communications. Since the distance between the communicating entities is very large, proper resource allocation to establish and maintain the link throughout the communication must be ensured. Satellite links uses multiple microwave frequency. Even though these systems are expensive, the area it covers compensate for the expenses. The communication satellites are generally owned by governments or by government-approved organizations of various countries. Summing up, a computer network consists of a group of computers, user terminals, and other system components that are linked together to share the resources. The network components are NIC, hub, switch, repeater, bridge, and router. There are mainly 5 types of networks: PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN, and CAN. Network topology defines an arrangement in which the computers are linked together to form a network. Different types of network topologies are bus, ring, star, tree, and mesh topologies. Transmission media is a communication channel that carries the information from the sender to the receiver. Wired transmission media includes cable wires to transmit the information from source to destination. In wireless transmission media, data is transmitted in the form of electromagnetic waves that do not require any physical media for transmission.